Welcome to my online class. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan. Today I am going to say about Chapter 6, Section 3, Preservation and Marketing of Agricultural Product on the basis of agricultural cooperation. Production of agricultural product using of word product say that products are being produced on the basis of cooperative for their marketing and the produ- producing products like crop, flower, fruits, fiber, seed, bamboo, wood, egg, milk, meat, hide and skin, fish or whatever it is. Main objective is to achieve profit. It is important to produce agricultural products so as to follow that it cannot affect the health of producer and consumer of agricultural products, and at the same time it will be environment friendly. According to the planning for production suitability of agricultural product and their production method, it is logical for production by considering the area of agricultural environment where cooperative are suited, types of land belonging to the agricultural cooperative, properties of soil. Requirement of agricultural cooperative families and market and friendliness of environment. Preparation for proper management should be available so that no disease can break out in agriculture or in farm, and farm can be kept safe effectively even if disease breaks out. It is also important to collect produced product safely. After collection, some works for storage and transportation like sorting or classification, packaging or placing in proper container, etc. are also helpful for product development and storage. It is required to storage for more or less time for making at suitable time. To store the agricultural product, it is required the suitable and effective container and also to create preservation environment. Rice, wheat, corn, various types of pulse, etc. are to be required to dry at the specific level and kept it concrete store house with airtight container. These facilities cannot these facilities cannot possible to be created by one if he is not a rich farmer. Cooperative can easily make this arrangement for marketing of agricultural product. Another activity is safe transportation. Containers for transportation, age, packaging, etc. are very important matter. Packing depends on product. Although gunny bags are suitable for transportation of crop, it is not suitable for transportation of vegetables, flower, fruits. To transport of these products, bamboo made basket or hardboard made paper box is used. Again, although bamboo basket is used for safe transportation of fish, big container filled with water is required for transportation of alive fish fries. Fish fries should be transported so as to weigh that they do not die due to lack of oxygen. A special tray is used for eggs transportation so that thousands of eggs can be transported together by folding. Again, a special container is required for milk transportation. It would be best if the advance agreement is made between the agricultural cooperative and related marketing organization for marketing facilities. Cooperative can also make this arrangement. Now, Chapter 6, Section 4, Importance of Cooperative Organization. If considering the above discussion on agricultural cooperative, we can understand easily that agricultural cooperative is an integrated activity. This noble activity is just started by the decision of being united of persons who are interested about this matter before they are to be active in agricultural production by cooperation. Second, very important step is adding land and money to cooperative, and before this it is required for main condition of cooperative, that is rules which are finalized after discussion. In this case, helps can be taken from the office nearer to National Cooperative Department. Suggestion can be taken from Upazila Agricultural, Livestock and Fisheries Officer. Cooperative organization is to be established following the Constitution of Agricultural Cooperative executed by Department of Cooperative. Such kind of cooperative cannot be forwarded more by only making same opinion for doing agriculture altogether unless building up the cooperative organization. Rather than it would be unusual to cause premature death due to lack of transparency and submitting explanation. As a whole, a strong organization need to be built up for all agricultural activities, production and marketing of agricultural products. Usually, it is called cooperative organization. This organization will strictly maintain the accountability of agricultural planning, implementation, production, preservation and marketing. It is also maintains the responsibility of profit distribution to each cooperative member according to their investment. The organization will receive service and keep accountability of donation, subsidy coming from service organization of government and non-government level. It will make formal agreement with purchase organization of agricultural products company or with individual and run business accordingly. Executive member of cooperative organization will be liable to general councillor and represent total explanation. So we can see that cooperative organization is the heart of agricultural cooperative. The cooperative members will get profit according to the skillness, honesty and strongness of the organization. Homework. Short answering questions. What do you mean by agricultural cooperative? How many types can be of cooperative? Write down the necessity of agricultural cooperative organization. Descriptive question. Describe how many agricultural ingredients can be collected and used through agricultural cooperative. Describe how agricultural products can be managed for production, preservation and marketing. Creative question. Porimal Babu and Gomesh Babu live in Manipur village of Jashore district. Except homestead area, they have some cultivated land. Same phenomenon is also for their neighbor farmers. So, all of them struggle to maintain their family expenses. By taking suggestion from youth development worker and by leading of Porimal Babu, farmers of village have built up cooperative society and taken necessary steps for getting agricultural loan. On the other hand, by the leading of Gomesh Babu, everybody were involved with various jobs by establishing full nursery through cooperative. By this way, they were able to earn within a short time. What is called agricultural cooperative? Explain how cooperative system teaches others to be active. Explain the way of activities taken by Porimal Babu. Evaluate the leadership of Gomesh Babu for increasing farmers' income in that area mentioned in paragraph. Thanks for watching this video.